In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make this exact 3D Chrome type text in Blender. So, without wasting any time, press 1, press Shift A and add a text. Now press RX90. Now press Tab to go to edit mode and I'll just type my name. If you wanna use the same font as me, there is a link in the description to download it. Go to the text settings and just import it. Now in object mode, right click on your text, convert to mesh. Switch to edit mode and select all the vertices by pressing A. Right click, subdivide and make the number of cuts 3. Now press E to extrude your text. Go to the modifiers tab and add a solidify modifier. Now play around with the thickness. Make sure you can make out what the text says. I used 0.02, but your text might not be the same. Now add a subdivision surface modifier. Change the levels to 2 and apply both modifiers. Now I'll add the remesh modifier and change the value to 0.015 and lower it down until no parts of the text are connected. This part might look pointless, but trust me, it will help us smooth out our text later. When you're finished, apply the modifier. Now go to sculpting. This is probably the most fun part. Get the smoothing tool and with left click just smooth out your text. After you're finished with sculpting, go to the shading tab, add a new material, change the metallic value to 1 and the roughness to 0.2. Now switch to the world tab, Shift A and add the background node, then add the light path node, then add the mix shader node, and also add an environment texture node. Connect all the nodes exactly like I have in the picture. Then go to the description and download the picture I have linked. Press open in the environment texture node and then find the picture you've downloaded. Okay, good. Now make the background node black and press Z and switch it to rendered mode. Now add a plane, press RX90, go to edit mode, press I and intrude the face a little. With the face selected, press delete and delete the faces. Now move your plane so that the text fits inside. Go to the face select mode and select each individual face and put it closer to the text. And then with every face selected, press E and extrude the face. Then press Ctrl A and apply all transformations. After that, add the subdivision modifier and make both of them 3. Apply. Then add a solidify modifier and change the thickness to 0.015. Scale and move the plane so that the text fits inside. Apply the modifier. Then go to the shading tab, right click, shade smooth and press this little box and add the same texture as you did in the text. Now go to the render settings, activate ambient occlusion, bloom, screen space reflections and motion blur. And these are the settings for bloom I used to get this glow effect. So thank you for watching and subscribe. Bye.